In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Podia support. If you need help with your Podia account, there are two main ways to reach their support team: live chat and email. Podia handles support digitally rather than by inbound phone, which makes it easier to share links, screenshots, and other details that can speed up troubleshooting. The fastest option is live chat. If you're on a computer, log into your Podia account and go to your admin dashboard. In the lower right corner, you'll see the messaging widget. If you're using mobile, open your admin dashboard and look for the messaging icon in the top right corner instead. When you open the chat, you'll first be greeted by Penny, Podia's AI assistant. This is the first layer of support, and it may be able to answer common questions right away. If it can't solve your issue, just type "speak to a human" or "human" in the chat. That will help route the conversation to a live support representative. If you'd rather use email, or if you can't log into your account at all, you can contact Podia support directly by email. This is a good option when you want to explain a more detailed issue or send attachments from the start. To get a faster resolution, make your first message as clear as possible. Describe the issue specifically instead of keeping it broad. For example, explain what action you're taking and exactly where the problem happens. It also helps to include the direct link to the page, product, or campaign involved so support can go straight to the source. If possible, attach screenshots or a short screen recording that shows the issue clearly. Visuals can save time and reduce back and forth. Finally, mention whether you've already tested the problem in an incognito window or another browser, since that helps rule out basic caching problems. That's how to contact Podia support quickly and effectively.